everyone.
Hello, my dear lovely students. So, hope you enjoy all the lessons in my channel. So, today I'm going to talk about the letter I, and the phonics sound is E and I. There are two phonics sounds for the vowel letters. So if you don't know what are the vowels and consonants, you can go to my playlist and watch all the videos I have uploaded for you. So this is a very easy one if you learn properly, if you learn correctly the phonic sounds and what are the consonants and what are the vowels and how to pronounce it. If you learn everything, English is very easy. So this is the only place where you can learn everything from A to Z. So I invite all of you to come and join with me and watch all my videos and learn what I'm teaching you. So if you have any concerns or if you have any questions, you always can go to my comment section and comment me, and you can make any requests. Okay, then let's begin the lesson.
Like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon.
Let's see the first word, that is bib. Bib. B E B bib. B E B bib. Let's see what is a bib. Bib is a cover made of cloth or plastic, right? And it's worn by young children when eating to protect their clothes. It is usually tied under the chin and extends above the waist. A bib can also refer to the part of an apron or overall that covers the chest. Mainly it is used by young children to cover their clothes, what they are wearing to protect their clothes. Okay, I hope you understood now what is the bib also. The next word is six. Six. This is a number. S, E, X. Six. S, E, X. Six. Six is after 5 and before number 7. The next word is kid. Kid. K, I, D. Kid. K, I, D. Kid. Kid. The next word is pin. Pin. P, I, N. Pin. P, I, N. Pin. Pin. Pig. Pig. P, I, G. Pig. P, I, G. Pig. The next word is pill. Pill. P, I, L, L. Pill. P, I, L, L. Pill. Here comes double L after E. It's pill. Pill. It's medicine. Pill. Pill. Next word is bin. Bin. B, I, N. Bin. B, I, N. Bin. Bin. A bin is a container that you put waste, that you put trash. You can call it as rubbish, trash, waste in that container. The next is chip. Chip. It's k and her together becomes ch. I will teach you that also later. It's chip. Ch, I, p. Chip. Ch, I, p. Chip. Chip. The next word is mix. Mix. M, I, X. Mix. M, I, X. Mix. Mix. The next word is sit. Sit. S, I, T. Sit. S, I, T. Sit. Sit. Kit. Kit. K, I, T. Kit. K, I, T. Kit. Kit. Fin. Fin. F, I, N. Fin. F, I, N. Fin. Fin. All fish have fins on top of their body. You can see there's a small piece on top of body, so we call it fin. Fin. tin, tin, t, i, n, tin, t, i, n, tin. Zip, zip, z, i, p, zip, z, i, p, zip, zip. Lip, lip, l, i, p, lip, l, i, p, lip, lip. Ring, ring, r, i, n, g, ring, r, i, n, g, ring, ring. The next word is sick, sick, s, e, k, k, sick, s, e, k, k, sick. In a word, when you get c, k, and k, k together, you pronounce it as k, not k, k, not sick, not like that. It's only one k sound. Sick, sick. When you get like this in a word, this c, k, and k, k come together, there's a rule to be followed. I will teach you about that in another video. For now, you just keep that in your mind. We pronounce it as sick. Only one k sound. Sick. And the last word for today is big. Big. B, I, g. Big. B,